Yeah. Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Mr. Wynn here. So, I'm currently at work, but I have some free time right now. And, so my boss came in. The principal walked in and was like, Mr. Wynn, you're the tech guy in the school. Why don't you play with this for a little bit? This is called the Swivl, okay? It's made specifically for iPhone and iPad. This is the Swivl Series C, okay? Swivl C series, okay? I'm gonna do an unboxing of it. So the principal walked in and was like, we know you're the tech guy, you like to play with the cameras and stuff like that. And she gave me this to kind of play with, kind of check it out and see what it's like. So we're gonna do an unboxing of it here, okay? Get started at swivl.com/setup. So, for those of you who don't know what a Swivl is, you attach your iPad on this thing, okay? And it will follow you around. It's like a little robot that follows you around. And it's good for teaching online, like online learning, okay? And your students can follow you. You can go all around the board. You don't have to move the camera, walk up to the camera and adjust it and stuff like that. Zoom in, zoom out. The Swivl does that for you, okay? So it's really cool. So, opens up like this. Says Swivl, okay. Nice carrying case here, so you can put it away. Whoa! It's got 3 remotes, okay. There's a right, there's a red and a blue one. So here's the device. This is the robot. There's a sensor on it. The top, that's where you attach your iPad or iPhone. On the back here, USB, Bluetooth. What is this? There's a marker, base. Okay. And of course, we got your power buttons and all that in the front right there. Okay. Got some stickers to label your materials, your buttons and whatever. And we got the instruction guide. Now I'm going to read this for a little bit. Okay, so it comes with lightning cables, micro USB cables, so you can use it with your Android if you want. As long as the Swivl app, you can download it on your phone or your iPad. You can attach this thing. And then, like it has, this thing rotates, this thing moves up and down. So it can lean up, lean down. It detects you on the screen, and it detects you, and it knows like what you're writing on the board and stuff like that. You can zoom in and stuff like that. Pretty cool stuff. You attach the iPad on top of it, like that. So you can chat with your students this way. You can see them, they can see you, okay? Additional markers, recording with multi-camera. So you can do multiple of these if you want, okay? Okay, this is the charger. Look at how many USB slots there are, okay? That is pretty cool. Up here, we got, I guess these hook up like the Nintendo Switch. They have little slides. It's like little lanyard looking things. You can put them on the side of your controllers right here. And of course this side, USB cables, power cords, okay? Like it has a place here you can charge your iPhone from USB, okay? But it also has micro USB in case you use an Android, I guess. But it looks like they made it specifically for Apple. It's all white and stuff too. Designed in California by Swivl. Okay. Well, I can't really do much with it since I'm currently using my phone for the recording. So this is just the unboxing, okay? Oh, it also comes with this. Expand lens. So I'm guessing it's like a wide angle lens or something like that, or something you can use to zoom in, like a scope. They were like, play with it, and I was like, am I supposed to play with this? Oh, okay. It's just like the ones, I have this for my phone, in case I want to use a wide angle lens. Oops, that's the cap. Cap can put it this way. Okay, wide angle lens. Look at that. It snaps on your, like here, I can use it right now if you want. Where's the lens on this thing? I think it's this thing. Aha! See that? Now I can see more of the board. That's kind of cool, huh? It's for online teaching. So it follows me.
Oh.
Yeah. So I use a remote. Let's say I'm writing on the board or something. Okay. And this. Whoop, hang on. Come on, stay there. Yeah. Now you can see more of the board.
Cool.
So what? It follows.
Yeah, you hold this, put it in your pocket or something.
It's perfect too.
Yeah, it connects to Zoom. You can record videos ahead of time and save them.
Outside.
Mm-hmm.
I guess I think it probably would track better.
Yep, it's following you.
Can it? Does it say math or does it say fam?
Yeah, see? Look at the difference. It's all zoomed in. I can't see everything, you know? So you attach this on so the kids can see the whole board. Adjust it a little bit so it can get real sharp. Pretty cool. All right. Pretty nice. Okay, so honestly, if I have to want to play with this thing, I have to stop using my phone to record. So that is everyone. All right, everyone. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.